Guys,
So we're unboxing Roblox squishies. Look, I wrote this down because my cousin is not still good at not draw is still not good at drawing. So I draw this for her. It's raining tacos, a house, and a Roblox. And the bacon girl is separating the Roblox, the R from the Roblox. So it's gonna be Oblox now. Oh my god. So let's see our first Roblox species. Let's go sa highs, jump.
okay.
So what do we got? Open us. Oh my god. We got MM2. Oh my god. So my cousin broke this, so it's kind of bit ugly for you guys, but mine is it's beautiful for me. So this is common, this is uncommon, this is rare, this is epic, this is legendary, and this is mythic, this is secret, this is OG, this is divine, and this is forbidden. Let's get it, champ. Let's see what we got. Are you ready, champ?
Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Yeah.
Forbidden! Let's go! Forbidden! So,
This is my avatar X-Plot, and my real name is Kyla. So, I don't really know what's the password, but you can spell it.
you can add her in Roblox. Her name is
But it has not the
Canon. Canon 7062. So you can add her in Roblox. So if it's wrong, just comment down below and I will write her name. Just add her. So she worked on this. I didn't work for it. She's always doing it by her own. So let's see our exclusive things. Dum, 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 ching. This is the exclusive pet from MM2. Oh my god, the rainbow. The rainbow, what is this, Jack?
It's a cat. Hold on.
This is a rainbow pet. And this is the exclusive gun
And explosive knife.
and exclusive knife. You can see that? Ja, ja, ja. So we will just put it back and we will do the next one in the next video. Goodbye guys.
Bye.
Bye guys.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.